Hey guys, this is Samsung Galaxy tablet. We're going to check the camera and also check the S Pen. I want to show you how to reset this tablet completely. This is the S Pen that came with this. If you go to the notes, so you can change the color, so you can control this. Enjoy your pen. Then you select start. This is the pen. There we go. So this is the S Pen and the C is working. So you can create notes, view all notes, smart select, screen write. You also have pen up and add. This is the setting. A actions, A command, A view, S Pen text, screen off memos, quick note, more S Pen settings. Then you go back. And this is the camera. And see, handwriting eraser. So this is the eraser, stroke eraser, area eraser, erase highlight, erase all handwriting. So once you go to the eraser, it will erase everything. So you can select various color for the pen. You can see. So this is yellow. So you can select, this is black. So you can select various color for the pen. So you can be working on top this notes section and also working on this section. For us to test if the pen is working, that is working, just need to select particular color of the pen you want. Then you put the pen on this end to hold it. I want to show you how to reset this tablet completely. If you want to give this tablet to somebody, or if you want to create a new account or you move home, what you need to do is you need to go to the settings, select the settings, then select general management, go on the right side, you will see reset, select reset, then scroll down, it will show you reset all settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting, reset accessibility settings, factory default reset. Reset your tablet to each factory default setting. This will erase all data, including files, downloaded app. Then you select factory default setting. All data will be erased from your tablet, including the following: Google account, system and app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, pictures, all other user data, service provider apps and content. Scroll all the way down, then select reset. Factory default reset. All your personal information, downloaded apps will be erased and can be recovered. Data that has been backed up to the SD card won't be erased. You can restore SD card data using smart switch after reset. So you select delete all. Now it's shutting down. Showing us now Samsung Secure by Knox. One UI. Samsung Secure by Knox. Powered by Android. Now it's starting afresh. It will tell you welcome, bienvenue, and welcome. So this tablet is starting afresh. So it will ask you for you to select your language and start to reconnect the tablet. So this is how to reset this tablet. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.